Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have something new to show you. It's a high quality LED table lamp. Now this table lamp is special guys. It's got lots of features which I'll be showing you in this video. It came in this packing. The box looks quite big. So this is the LED table lamp I was talking about. It's made by this company called GUANYA. You've got a picture of the lamp here. There is nothing much written on the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank GUANYA for sending me this product for review purpose. Let's open the box and take it out. Oh, looks like we've got a box over here. We'll just keep it aside. And here is the table lamp. Let's take it out. You've got some paperwork at the top. Okay, these are all the items we got in the box. Here's the table lamp guys. Let's take it out of this cover. The neck of this lamp is flexible. You can tilt and bend it in any direction you want. So this is how the lamp looks like. It looks quite attractive. The build quality also feels good. We'll just keep it aside for now and check out what do we have in this box. We have an adapter guys. This LED lamp works on an adapter. It's a 24 volt 375 mAh adapter. And along with that, you get a user manual. It has complete info on the product, so make sure to read it. Now let's check out the table lamp and talk about the design and the build quality. The GUANYA LED lamp has a stylish design. Most of the body is made of high quality ABS material. It has a flexible gooseneck and weighs about 1 kg. The best thing about this gadget is it also has a multicolor night lamp at the bottom that looks beautiful at night time. The colors can be selected with this touchpad over here. This lamp has touch controls. I'll show them to you in a moment. And this is its flexible neck. You can bend it, tilt it and twist it in any direction you want. It's very useful. And this is the lamp's head. It has a nice ring-like structure where all the LEDs are placed in this ring-like pattern to give a shadowless light. This lamp has two types of LEDs in it, warm and cool placed alternatively. The color temperature of the LEDs is from 2700 to 6400 kelvins. Now let me show you all the touch controls on this GUANYA LED lamp. You've got three controls over here. This is the power on off, color temperature change, and this is the LED brightness. It has three levels of brightness. And this is the color touchpad for the night lamp. You can slide your finger on it to change the colors. And at the back side you've got a DC in port where you need to connect the adapter to power on this lamp. So to use this lamp, the adapter should always be connected to a power source. Now let me power it on and show you how it looks like. This is its night lamp. It glows in 5 different colors: red, light green, bright green, cyan and purple. They feel subtle, they're not too bright, has the right amount of brightness needed for a night lamp. The touchpad on it also works great. You can slide your finger on it to shift the colors. The touch accuracy was good, and there's also an option to turn off the night lamp. You just need to touch it for about 2 to 3 seconds to turn it off. So that was about the night lamp. Now let me show you the actual LED light. This is the main LED lamp. It has a ring-like structure where all the LEDs are placed in it. This lamp has a total of 56 LEDs in it. 28 of them produce warm white color and the remaining 28 produce cool white. These two types of LEDs are arranged in an alternate pattern. Let me power it on and show you the different modes on it. This is neutral white, warm white and cool white. The color temperature is from 2700 to 6400 kelvins. The company did not mention how many lumens this lamp was producing, but looking at the light intensity, I could guess it was around 500 to 600 lumens. And the power consumed by the LEDs is 8 watts at max output. The LED lamp is quite bright in the max mode. It's great for reading books, and you can also change the color temperature on it to reduce the strain on your eyes if you're reading for a long time. And one more nice thing about this lamp is it does not emit harmful UV radiations. It has zero UV radiating LEDs, so it doesn't affect your eyes. It's eye friendly. The diffuser also does a good job. It diffuses the light very well without any shadows. It's also flicker free, and the LEDs on it have a lifespan of about 50,000 hours. The lamp is quite good guys. It's very useful. The brightness is also nice. It's more than enough for a desk. Plus it can also be used as a night lamp. I really like the colors on it. I've been using it for a while, had no issues with it. The build quality is nice, the light output was sufficient. I also didn't feel any strain on my eyes while using it. If you're looking for a LED table lamp, then you can definitely check out this one. I didn't find anything to complain about it, but yes, I would tell this. It's a bit expensive. It costs about 2500 rupees. It would have been very nice if the cost was a bit lower. I'll just leave a link to this product in the description box. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.